Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the crypto pump channel. In this video guys, we have the NFTL token. So basically guys, I will show you what is the NFTL token and any information and details you need to know about this new token. Without any further, let's see the token in the coin market cap. Like you see guys, the token today ranked at 4,823 with a price of 0.2024, a market cap of $40,000 and the volume of $18,000. The all-time low is 0.3081 2 hours ago, and the all-time high is 0.2031 just 30 minutes ago. And the token guys available at this moment only on PancakeSwap. Like you see guys, the NFTL token in the last 24 hours up 200% and the volume guys up 60%. So guys, the NFTL team is made up of NFT specialists, but not only. They support talented people and charitable events. They organize events on the web to get their community moving, and they develop different use cases for this token. All NFTL's token holders will automatically receive rewards for each trade and transaction, since each transaction requires a minimum of 10% slippage. This allows them to reward holders and provide funds to continue supporting artists and an automatic burning. All of this is possible because of the token specific protocol. Become an NFTL holder, and if you have tokens, talk about the project everywhere. You and the whole community will be rewarded. To certify an NFT profile picture, put their website and your Twitter bio or other social media and your public wallet address to verify that you have a certified NFT profile picture, and the NFT transaction will be verifiable. And there is guys only 21 million token and the max supply and 435 addresses of this token at this moment. And for the smart contract guys, there is 5 warnings. The first one, the source code contains a function which can set a maximum transaction amount. Also guys, the source code contains a function which can modify the transaction fees, which is not good. The contract contains ownership functionality, and ownership is not renounced. The owner wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact to the token price if sold. And also guys, a wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. And finally guys, for their community, they have 10,000 followers on Twitter. So that's it guys for the NFTL token for today. Of course guys, if you want me to do more research and more analysis about this token, just let me know in the comment section. Take care and see you later.